Hello, Mr. Mahindra. Welcome to this interview by from Mystic Fusion International, and we are really grateful to you for your active participation in our 5-day WhatsApp course on Career Relaunch Accelerator. And the way I saw you actively participating in the course, and I would actually want you to share your perspective on the reason behind you joining this course and what were your basic expectations from the course, as well as how did our course meet your expectations, and in general, what was your experience in this 5-day course which you participated in Career Relaunch Accelerator? Over to you, Mr. Mahindra.
Thank you, sir. Actually, my educational background is I'm a BTech instrumentation engineer. Worked abroad for several years and came back to India to become an entrepreneur. So I'm into hotel industry. As a sleeping quarter for almost 8 to 10 years. Now I'm actively working in it. And regarding this course, I feel in this COVID situation, this sort of course is very important for entrepreneur like us, because the situation is very severe, and actually our minds are blocked. So what to do, because we invested everything in it, and luckily, to be frank, this course has triggered some ideas in me. So how to refresh and restart my career in this field.
Fantastic. Thank you, Mr. Mahindra, because as you rightly said, that this COVID-19, this situation has really pushed us to a corner, and probably people from entrepreneurial backgrounds and people from professional backgrounds, all of us are pushed to a corner, and most of us are groping in the darkness. We don't understand what to do, and we never know. We don't understand where this entire professional life is headed towards. And since you come from a professional education, but still you are in a hotel business for a very long time, and for the past 5 to 6 months, probably everything is shut down. And in this situation, thanks for participating in this thought-provoking 5-day course. And I'm curious to know, since you said that this course has triggered a few ideas, I would want you to share your insights, some of the most important insights that you got from the participation in this 5-day course.
Okay. The main insight I had from this course is visibility. That is very important, of course, in every sector of business. Now, some ideas triggered. Whether it will work, I don't know whether it will work or not. But I triggered some ideas regarding visibility of my business. I am trying to implement that one. So let us see. That is the main insight I have in this course.
Fantastic. Now, Mr. Mahindra, you might have seen that some of our participants were from employee background, and some of our participants were from business background, and some of our participants were just graduates. Now we had participants from a diversified backgrounds. Now, I would want to ask you for your authentic experience of relevance of this course to people between 30 and 45. How do you think this is going to help these people in relaunching their careers?
Yeah, just like me, what the experience I had in this, in this same way, it will help to other people also. I'm also in this between 25 to 40 years old.
Exactly. So since the basic design, actually, as you might have seen, was intending for people between 30 and 45, but the overwhelming response that we're getting, and people are interested even between right from 20. That was a little thing of curiosity for me, because if the fresh graduates are also serious about resilience and relaunching their careers, that means somewhere they already understand that the professional life is not going to be the same in the next 5 to 10 years. So I'm sure, they have learned their own lessons and they're very much ready for the next 10 years. Now, with the help of the ideas that we shared in this, I would want to know from you, how's the design of the program, and how do you think is this design going to help people build professional resilience and relaunch their careers?
The design, actually, this is a 5-day program. The design in this perspective is very good. We cannot expect more than this in these 5 days. And that too, people like us means almost 25, 30 years back we sit in the class and here had a lesson. Now sitting and spending 2 hours of time in this class is very difficult for us. But you made us to sit with your interesting topics. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mahendra, because initially you might have seen that as I committed right from the very beginning that I will not be under delivering, I'll be over delivering, and I've been doing that. And you might have seen the number of hours that you got in exchange for whatever you invested. And I'm sure along with around 10 hours of videos and 10 a list of gifts and list of downloadable material that I shared with you. I would want to know from you your experience with the material, and I would want to you to share about the importance of this design of material and the kind of questions that we dealt with during this course. How do you think? How powerful do you think this is to help us think with clarity?
Yeah, a lot of brainstorming has to be done for these questions you asked, because these are not usual questions. As you said previously, those are different. Questionnaire is different, and we have to brainstorm a lot.
Exactly. So
Very
I
interesting
hope,
question.
yeah, I hope you see, I hope you saw the fact that this training is not just about dumping information. This training is not just about sharing information. This training, as most of your other participants also are expressing, is actually to bring more clarity and to help you focus exactly on what is required and what is needed, and to give you a structure of understanding based on which you relaunch your careers. Now, there was a time, if you agree with me, there was a time, you liked something, you just went behind it. But this is not that time anymore. Now,
Yes.
if you don't want to waste another 5 years, another 10 years just beating about the bushes and groping in the darkness and experimenting, then probably you need something of certainty and something that helps you ask powerful questions and helps you ask relevant questions which can help you design your career, whether it is business and whether it is a job that you do. So I'm sure since you come from a hotel business, and if this course could give you some thought provoking sessions, I'm sure. Let me ask you very frankly, how much do you recommend this to people from diversified professional backgrounds?
100% I will recommend. There is no doubt in it. Actually, these sort of programs are required for the people like us. It is 100%, no second thought in it.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mahendra. And with this, I would like to thank you for your active participation in the course. And yes, there is a lot of work to be done, and probably that's exactly why we have divided the entire course into a 5-day course and a 10-day course, so that in the 5-day course, as we promised, that we'll be giving you a basic framework of relaunching your career, and the next 10-day course is where we are going to handhold you, and we are going to train you, and we are going to give you the resources and help you reach that level where you can relaunch yourself at a bigger level. So I'm sure you enjoyed the 5-day course, and I would want to ask you very frankly, to what level would you value the course at, and how much value do you see in the participation and in the content that was shared, or in overall framework of relaunching that was given to you?
My this course is very useful to everyone like me, and my rating for this course will be 10 out of 10.
Okay, thank you so much for rating us 10 out of 10, Mr. Mahendra, and thank you so much for being an active participant and looking forward to having you as again actively engaging in our next level course, which is Career Relaunch Intensive, which is a 2-week course, and I'm sure you're going to join us from 20th onwards. Thank you so much, Mr. Mahendra. And we
Thank
would
you.
we would want you to share your experience with everybody so that you have your business friends and you have your professional friends. In fact, we would want you to go ahead and share your experience and knowledge that you got gained from here. And because this is nobody's individual property, I think that this is high time we started sharing most of our knowledge with everybody around because of the situation due to COVID-19. So I'm sure most of us are going to get help and get clarity and get that right platform to relaunch our careers. Thank you so much for being with us, Mr. Mahendra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.